I let that glue set for about 2 hours, the PVC cement, and now I'm gonna go check after I just turned the water on, and you're gonna be the first person to see whether all my fittings are tight or not. So let's go. Okay, here's the first one. You notice that there's no leaking, and there might be some air in the line. There's the air. Okay, that's normal. You just want to let all that stuff blast out for a while. So that one's working. Again, no leaks. No leaks. Let's go see the other ones. All right, here's number 2. Not seeing any leaks. No leaks. No leaks. Let the air out. There we go. Open it full bore. And here's our final one. Dry, dry, dry. Let's see if this one works. There's the air. Just give it a minute to fill up with water. This is 500 feet away. There we go. And flow, baby. That's somewhat satisfying. Come on, baby. So you want to go ahead and just let all that air get blasted out. Let some of the debris, if there's any debris, get blasted out. Now let's see if it turns off. All right. Now I'm going to keep checking these throughout the afternoon with the full pressure 30 to 50 psi. The other thing that I've already done is I've left all of my joints out so I can go ahead and check every single joint, and then I'm going to fill this before somebody trips in it or before it rains. All right, I checked all the joints. All of it's dry. I got full pressure, so I'm going to go ahead and backfill all this trench. Almost done. I went ahead and I filled all of this trench back up, and just in time, because it looks like we're going to be having a rainstorm, you notice that I left it bulged up. As it rains, that's going to settle down over time. Both of the faucets are dry out here. The one back closer to the house is still dry, so I think this is a job well done. And the goats definitely are happier to have fresh water more frequently. Few days worth of work for years of fresh water.